like it's a disease stand.
He's on all fours licking the carpet.
Credit to Comedy Central too for sticking by him
Yeah.
because they kind of wavered on Chappelle, right? Yeah.
Hey, did you guys see his new one yet?
No, I haven't seen it yet, but I want to.
Yeah, Nick was talking about something that's really, really good.
Just letting my girlfriend Bill Burr live.
Who?
Bill Burr. He was
Oh,
in Bridgeport.
how good was that?
Yeah, it was awesome. It was so fun. And we're going to see Andrew Schultz in May. Of all the we're going to see him at the Garden. I love comedy, though, so like trying to see
You ever heard of Rodney Carrington?
I've not heard of him.
You need to go look him up. He's good old country boy, man. And he sings. He does a lot of Rodney Carrington was a lot bigger like when I was in college and coming out. He's out now. He's got a little club, but he's still around.
I guess it's your man running back here. Tell people it's kind of, we've actually gone back later and later. Yeah, well, American. Yeah. We got 8 guys coming. That's which makes a huge difference for them. So they won't want to come in for their lunch camp. They do like the sports bed in the NBA. They just get price masters and they can stay here for 3 years and trial. So we've gotten a few guys that we have no business getting. Like we get the yeah. I know.
And they're like, I can't get him into this program.
Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. There's a lot of you guys.
I called him. We've got some weird ones like that.
Seriously.
We also have like
And apparently it is.
oh really?
It's like a
Like I mean he is the guy, right?
He's right.
So we've done a lot of guys, so we wouldn't bring in as many. We do now. I mean, I took over in February. We turned over. They were so bad. Or your kids.
He got a lot of hope. They got
So look at guys that
people can play. And he's versatile. He's a dog.
His training, he won't
And he's been like that since he was 8 years
and he
old.
doesn't take himself too seriously. Jaden Richardson,
They committed. He emailed us this morning.
Very nice. Very nice. But, and if you watch his video, I never saw that.
Robin
They
looked at
could.
it.
He defends from 6 yards away because he's too far. He doesn't know what to do. So the guy just whips in a ball, and he knows because he played against him. Oh, good.
So we should sign?
Yeah, go ahead. Go get him. There you go. But, like, when I was just talking
Played at New Haven.
in the thing was,
Middletown, all day. Family. We got Saturday. He emailed the NFL.
I think
I don't know. From Maine and have one watch video.
Oh, coach, put in Indy, we do this. That's fine. We're not fucking this is the way we are. It's an athletic game. It's this, it's that. We do this, we do that.
Just to them, man.
They do.
As long as you don't recruit one of these wings, if I'll sign him, you don't recruit one of these prospects.
And here's the one thing, you know, you bring in those kids and they're